Welcome to IYS ISOT API video tutorial for how to use the API to access the IYS Skills Taxonomy. The IYS Skills Taxonomy API is an intelligent system that can map out how skills fit together in the same way that an app can map out where places are and how they are connected. A skills taxonomy maps out what skills people have and how they are connected. IYS taxonomy cover 360 degree of skills: functional or technical skills, behavioral skills, knowledge, tools, activities, domain, and certifications. What makes it more unique is that the wide coverage of functions and industries with over 130,000 skills and keep increasing. ISOT contains a rich set of data that can be integrated into your application, tools, and services. It can be used in several areas including job portals, recruitment system, workforce planning, knowledge management, skills inventory, gap analysis, and so on. To start using ISOT API, you must be registered user. Simply fill the basic information such as name, organization name, email address, and your preferred password. Note that your email address will be the login ID. Once registered, go to your email inbox and check for an activation email. Click on the link to activate your account. After your account is activated, you may now be able to log in using your credentials. First and most important thing is to get the access token. To generate the access token, click on the lock icon as shown. Web address is only needed for Skills Profiler plugin. You just need to activate the Skills API to get access token. Once updated, you will see a key icon. By clicking on that, you will be asked for confirmation to generate a new access token. Hit yes, and here is the access token. Make sure to copy and save it for further use. You can also get the access token from the API documentation. Click on the access token generation. Now click on token generation or the console. You need the refresh token to generate the access token. You can copy the refresh token that you obtained in registration and passed, then click on the call resource button. You can see the access token from the response. There are two parts in the documentation: one, introduction, where you will find useful information on definition, samples, etc. Whereas on the reference part, you can try it real time. Now let's take a look at the introduction. Popular categories. For popular categories, there are no request parameter definition. Here is a sample response that you would receive for a popular categories. These are the response parameter definition for popular categories. Let's check popular categories. Click on Getting Popular Categories. Now click on Switch to Console. Go to Headers. You will need an authorization, which is the access token that you have already generated. Replace the access token in valid action token and hit call resource. You will get the response in JSON format as shown here. Skills search. For skills search, these are the parameters. Search query will be skill name to be found. Here is a sample response that you would receive for a skills search. These are the response parameter definitions for skills search. Now let's check on skills search. In skills search, you can search for a specific skill. Simply input the skill name that you're looking for and go to the header and paste the access token and hit the call resources button to get the response. You can see the response here. 0 and 1 indicates whether the searched skill has children, parent, sibling, related, and indirect skills. Searched skills. Searched skills are siblings and related categories returned as one API call. For searched skills, these are the parameters. You will need a UID, which is an encrypted ID of the skills node. Here is a sample response that you would receive for a searched skill. These are the response parameter definitions for searched skill. Now let's look at searched skills. To get a searched skill, you need a UID. You can look for UID from skills search response, or you may get it from any other endpoint responses. UID gets all the information for the specific skill. Copy the UID and hit call resource. Here is the JSON response. Similarly, you can check related skills in direct child skills. These are just concrete examples that you can do for ISOT API. For more extensive information, check the API documentation. I hope you found this video tutorial useful. If you need support or have any technical questions, please contact us to connect@itsyaskills.com. Thank you.